Is that a good sign for markets and overall trade globally?
See, I think with the new president coming in, um, obviously the domestic market of US is going to shine. Um, Donald Trump has already given a lot of key indicators that all emphasis is going to be on the US market and on the end consumer, and also job creation. So I think as far as India is concerned and the US is concerned, we have a very good relationships between the two governments. Uh, the Minister Jaishankar has already been to the US yesterday. So there are good signs for us that we don't see tariffs coming. I hope we don't see tariffs coming as far as Indian products into the US is concerned. So that's I would say a positive sign for India because we do business in the US. We sell tires in the US. My whole emphasis and focus for the next 5 years is the growth of the US business for Apollo in America. So we are selling car tires and truck tires. So for me, it's a positive sign that I see the US economy growing in the coming next 5 years.
Neeraj, if tariffs were to come and if they were to impact your sector, would it mean that you would have to sort of double down on manufacturing capacity locally in America? Because that is the larger objective of the government there.
So, sir, we don't have a manufacturing facility first in the US. We have manufacturing in India and in Hungary and in Holland. So currently our tires are going from India and from Hungary. So in that case, if that were to happen, and we'll have to see how much is the tariff and does it make sense to then sell in India, I mean in the US, is it that going to be much more costly or much more expensive? At that time, we'll have to obviously rejig our supply chain to other markets and to see how we can try and circumvent that tariff in the US market.
Okay.
But it will be a challenge if that happens.
Okay.